With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, let's discuss the question. Let fx equal to x square plus 2px plus 2q square and gx is equal to minus x square minus 2px plus q square, where q is not equal to 0 if x belong to R and the minimum value of fx is equal to the maximum value of gx, then the value of p square upon q square is equal to. So let's begin with solution of this question. So here there are two quadratic expression, that is this will be first and this is second. So first we will understand the maximum and minimum value of quadratic equations. So let our fx, that will be given by ax square plus bx plus c. So if this a is positive, if this a is greater than 0, then the graph of this expression will be like this, that if these are coordinate axes, then the graph will be like this, that is opens upwards. This opening will be upwards, that is this will be concave upwards, so concave up. This is the graph. So for this type of graph there will be minimum value and maximum value will be infinity, and the minimum value that is lies at that point, and the minimum value that can be given by minimum, and that is equal to minus d upon 4a, where the value of d is the discriminant, and I can write d as this will be b square minus 4ac. Similarly, if this a is less than 0, if a is less than 0, then the graph will be like this, that is convex downwards, or we can say this, so convex upwards. So we can say that our graph is convex up. So for this type of graph there will be maximum value, because minimum value is minus infinity, because this is going towards the negative side. So from here, for this type of graph, the maximum value will be minus d upon 4a, and the value of d is also here only, that is b square minus 4ac. So for considering our first expression, that is fx, our fx is given as x square plus 2px plus 2q square. So I can write fx, this is equal to x square plus 2px plus 2q square. So for this expression, the maximum value, or we can say for this a is positive, because coefficient of this x square is positive, then the minimum value that will be equal to root d minus d upon 4a. So this will be minus of b square minus 4c, that will be 4p square, that is 2p whole square. So 4p square here will be minus 4 into this, it is constant term, and value of a is 1, so that will be minus 4 into 2q square, and here this will be upon 4a, so that 4a will be 4 into this 1, so that will be 1 only. So from here we can get our minimum value of this first function fx, that will be, so if we will take this negative sign common, so that will be 8q square minus 4p square and divided by 4, so that will become 2q square minus p square. So basically this is the minimum value of our first equation given. Now our second equation in the question, it is given as this equation, that is gx. So for gx there will be maximum value, so our gx is this minus x square and minus 2px and plus q square. So maximum value that will be minus b square minus 4ac, that is this minus 2p square, so that will become 4p square, and here will be minus 4 into this ac. So value of a is this minus 1, so here will be minus 1, and value of c is q square, so that will be q square, and here this will be 4a, so 4 into this minus 1. So cancelling this minus sign with this sign, so this will be plus, and here we get maxima and maximum value of gx, that will be equal to, so here will be 4p square plus 4q square, and here will be 4, so on cancelling this 4 with numerator and denominator, we get this as p square plus q square. Now according to our question, this minimum value of our first equation, that is fx, is equal to maximum value of this gx. So we can say that minima, this is equal to max. So from here 2q square minus p square, this is equal to p square plus q square. So from here, if we will take this q square on this side, this will be q square, and taking this p square on this side, this will be 2p square. So our value of this p square upon q square, that will be equal to 1 by 2, which is equal to 0.5. So p square upon q square, the value of p square upon q square, that will be equal to 0.5. So answer to this question is this 0.5. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.